I am your balloon twister, Giordano the Great, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a really cool regular dog. I'm going to be using a blue balloon, and take your pump and you're going to pump up the balloon, leaving about 2 to 2.5 at the end there of fingers. Okay, so right about there for the dog. So about 2 fingers, maybe just slightly over 2 fingers. Anywhere around there will work. And we're gonna pinch it off here, let some air out, and let some more air out right about there to soften it up, tie it off, and now give it a squeeze and run it through your hand like that 2 or 3 times, and we're ready to start the regular dog. So what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna make about a 2.5 inch bubble like that for the face. Then we're gonna wanna make the ears, so we're gonna pinch off a flower petal. So we're gonna do 1 ear there like that. So that's looking like more like a rabbit or something. So then we're gonna make our other petal and try to make the ears about the same size. So now you're looking at a nice dog face like that, okay? Then we're gonna give it a little squeeze. We're gonna make the neck, and then we're gonna do the legs, about a 4-inch bubble, about a 4 or 5-inch bubble for the legs, another one there, tie them together. Now we have the front legs. Now we're gonna go to about right here, and we're gonna have just enough to do a leg here, and then have a little bit for the tail like that. So you can always judge by how much is left for how big you've got to make the leg. So maybe a little bit more, the same size as the front leg, a little bit more right there, and then tie off the tail, and the legs go in, and you have your regular dog. And remember, you can learn all my balloon animals at balloonbro.com.